guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenny Koko, and today is a different video. Today we are talking about finances. Yes, how to make money online in Nigeria. Basically, that is the key word, Nigeria. But before we go on, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would advise that you do subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Also click the bell like button so that you get notified anytime I post a video or two. And if this video is something you'd like to see, keep watching. So let's talk about this pandemic. Am I the only one that this pandemic hits? If you know me, or if you've been on my channel for a long time, you know that I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. And if this pandemic did not hit you in any way, this pandemic scattered me. And you guys know that when it comes to makeup, you deal with clients literally up close and personal, like you're literally in their faces, and that's very uncomfortable. So it's endangering to the clients and even to the professional, so it's like a bit of a tricky thing when it comes to makeup. So this pandemic really hit me. I ain't gonna lie, I've been at home for the longest time ever, and I can literally count how many clients I have had from when the lockdown started to this very moment. And I just kept thinking to myself, like, oh my lord, so what next? I considered different options. Trust me, I considered different options, and I just decided to research stuff like how to make money online and whatnot. Like, I did some deep ass research. Okay, so as the title says, I'm basically going to be sharing like about 5 ways you can get money online in Nigeria. So anywhere in Nigeria, basically, you could do this and get money online. I already put down everything that I'm going to be talking about, and I really hope you guys learn a thing or two from this video. And the very first one I'm going to be talking about is none other than YouTube. Yes, I'm sure you guys will be like, ugh, YouTube, we already knew that, but some people may not know that. But basically, can you make money off of YouTube? Yes, you can. You definitely can. Some people have built $1 million business out of YouTube. They've built $1 million houses out of YouTube. They've done a lot from YouTube money. There are some Nigerian YouTubers that earn from 10,000 naira to ₦1 million naira monthly, maybe even more, but that is very possible if you put your heart and soul to it. However, there are tips and tricks to this YouTube business, so you don't just buy a camera or use your phone and set up and whatnot and start a video and start getting views. There are ways, and I'll advise that you do your research on that. I only just recently started making money off of YouTube, so I was like, I kind of need something else to support me. I'm in no way a financial expert. I'm just telling you guys what worked for me or what's still working for me, what I do currently to make money online and just support myself any way I can. So I'm not saying this is the way you should go work in it, you must blah and stuff like that. No, I'm just telling you guys, like, this is what I do to earn money at the moment. If you buy the idea, you run with it. If you do not buy the idea, nobody's forcing you. Just do your day, make I do my day. The second way you can make money is Uber. Yes guys, Uber is actually quite a way to make money. So you can actually start with your car, or you can start with someone else's car. If you don't have a car, you can start with someone else's car, and it's just a good way to actually make money. So if you're not doing anything at the moment, just sitting at home being a couch potato, I would advise that you start, if you can drive, actually, you start like the Uber business. Some people may argue that the pandemic also hits the Uber business, but my point is, as opposed to just staying at home doing nothing, there are some Uber drivers. People still go out. Have you seen traffic recently? People still go out and they still Uber wherever they're going to, and yeah, people still make money off of Uber. If you're making money, you might as well jump on it, right? So the third way you can make money is being a virtual tutor. So if you're skilled in a particular area. Like, I'm skilled in the makeup industry, so sometimes I have, you know, WhatsApp classes or one-on-one classes and whatnot. So people actually pay you to teach them whatever it is that you know. It may be cooking, it may be baking, it may be, I don't know, writing, it may be reading, I don't know. Just do something that you're skilled at. It may be sewing, it may be anything. Create a course online and then put it out there and advertise yourself. Instagram is a good way to advertise yourself. Facebook as well is a good way to advertise yourself. And you know, just do something and put it out there. So that's another way to make money. Then the fourth way to make money is to be a transcriber. So basically, there are a lot of companies that look for people to help them transcribe. So what I mean by that is, so let's take YouTube for example. So because YouTube has like a lot going on for them, they may not necessarily have the time to like transcribe everything that I'm saying now into writing. So they may not have the time to do that. So they will source these things out to other companies, and other companies would look for people who are willing to put this thing down for them and then pay them in return. You see all subtitles that come up on videos, that's exactly what transcribing means. So you take audio and turn it into writing. So everything that I've said, you literally turn it into writing. And I'm particularly happy about this one because even as of last year, some or most companies were not actually allowing Nigerians to partake in this. So basically, you would register under a company. They will send you, once you pass the test, they would take you on, and then they give you a video, and then they pay you a certain amount of money per minute video. And what I love about this thing is they don't pay you in naira, they pay you in dollars. I think that is no, our currency is literally like, I can't even tell you how much $1 is to like naira. It's a bit heartbreaking. But if you're earning in dollars, like, what's your business? I don't care. Like, naira should go up to 1,000 naira. I'll be very happy. So the name of the website is rev.com. Don't worry guys, everything I've said, I'm going to list them in the description box below. So I'm just going to give you guys like a little bit of expo. When it comes to rev.com, I kind of do like my research first. So I went on YouTube and then I did my research, and you would see like a lot of people that put out answers on YouTube. They might not necessarily be correct, so you have to do your research, or you actually have to study. Sorry, not do your research. So you have to actually study. So you have about 2 sets of tests. The first test is like question and answer. So you have a question and then different options. You pick your answer, and then the second stage is where you have the audio for you to transcribe, and they kind of give you like instructions on how you should go about it. So you literally have to pay attention. However, what I don't really like about rev.com is that when you don't pass the test, they don't tell you what it is that you failed. Like, they just tell you you didn't pass, basically, and that's just it. So it's a bit annoying because you don't know how to prepare for the next test. You just have to keep taking it until they finally say you've been accepted and whatnot. I failed the first test. Really annoying. The thing about this web.com is when they respond to you almost immediately, my guy, you failed. I'm telling you. When I got the email, heartbreak. I was like, no! But if they take the time to respond to you, let's say from about 2 weeks or more to a month or 2 months or whatever, because there are a lot of people are, finding out about them and then taking the test and registering and whatnot. So it will take them a longer period of time to actually respond to every single person. Just know that they don't respond to you early enough, you're doing well. But if they respond to you that same day or the next, just pack your load and go. However, you can retake this test a month after. That is another way to make money online. So the fifth and final way to make money online is through trading and investment, and this is by far my favorite bit. Let me drop my book first. Okay, let me quickly explain what forex is. So forex is basically foreign exchange. I believe that every single, maybe not every single one of us, but majority of us have, gotten involved in trading forex without even knowing about it. So if you have dollar and you exchange that for naira, or you have naira and exchange that for dollar, or great or pounds, or Aussie dollars, or Canadian dollars, or Togo money, self yen, whatever money, Ghana cedis, whatever, you have literally done what is called foreign exchange. The difference with that is that was cash in hand. This isn't cash in hand. This is like a virtual trading type thing. So you don't necessarily have the cash in your hand. You just have the cash online. I hope you got that. So when it comes to trading, you could be like a daily trader where you make money every single minute. But the thing about that is you have to literally be in front of your system or in front of your phone every single minute, because you literally have to track what is going on. Is the price dropping? Is the price going on? Should I buy? Should I sell? And whatnot. So I wouldn't say you should do like 1 or 2 researches and then just throw your money in whatever you find. You have to do like deep research. So let me give you an example. You have about 100,000 naira in Nigeria and you're going to the US. You go to the black market or whatever, you tell them, oh, I'd like to buy some, USD. This is my 100,000 naira. They give you 100,000 naira worth USD, which is about, let's just say $300. And then you take that $300 to the US. Let's even say you didn't buy anything, or you didn't spend $300, and then naira kind of like depreciated a bit. You're coming back to Nigeria with your $300, and then you go to exchange your $300 for naira. But because the naira was not in the place it was before, it's actually depreciated, you will get more than your 100,000 naira. Okay, so you will be getting 100,000 naira with $300. You'll be getting more than 100,000, maybe 120,000 or 110,000 naira with the same $300. That's exactly how it is online. That's how it is with forex online. That's a good way to make money. But the thing about that is you literally have to study the candlesticks and all that blah blah blah, when it's bullish and when it's bearish and all the likes. So that's the little I have to say when it comes to trading. So I'm going to go to investments now. So now investments as opposed to trading is either for the long run or the short run. So short run could be for 6 months to maybe 2 years. Some people say 2 years is short, but yeah, 6 months to about 2 years, you invest your money in any crypto of your choice. And then long run could be from maybe 3 years to 5 years, or even 5 years and above. Some people do 10 years. However, when it comes to investment, I feel like when it comes to trading and investment, so the amount of money you put determines your profits, basically. That's why a lot of billionaires, they invest. And when they're investing, they're not investing 1 million naira. You're not investing 2, you're literally investing huge. Let's say from 10 million, 20 million, 100 million, because hey God, if you think about it, it's actually cool cash, but the risk that is involved in what beings. Just imagine you put your whole 10 million and then the currency, the crypto now fails eventually. Is that not, that's hot tears, man. I'm gonna cry. It's gonna be a deadly day.
The final will be a deadly day. It's gonna be either both of us gonna die on the line.
As I say, you should do your research. You literally have to do your research on the crypto, or whatever to invest in. Some people also invest in stocks and bonds and whatnot. But trust me, if you get the hang of it, it is like sweet residual income. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention the website that I use is bitrust.com. I'm going to put that in the description box below as well, so you guys can click on that and get familiar with it. Like I said, I am in no way a financial expert, so I'm just telling you guys that these are the things I have tried. Some I have tried and I have left, some I'm using currently and they are working for me. Get the point. And get your money. Anywho, that's basically it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you like this video to the end, I don't know why you're not subscribing yet to like. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.